So I'm here in New York City, and something very good about this city now is that you have the help point. There's a machine you press to ask for information, and they help you out with your direction. It's so cool. Just press the information and you speak to the attendant, and he or she tells you where you're going to. And that's easy, so you don't have to worry about Google or whatever. So you can't get lost in New York City. I'm here at the train station F, New York City. So I'm gonna wait like 3 minutes for the train to come, and that's gonna be cool. New York City, United States of America. Waiting for the train. Don't forget, if you have any problem, you press the help point of the MTA and you get all the information that you need. So you have this at the subway station.